Hello everyone. So I've just walked into Dollar Tree and this location is pretty much ready for Valentine's Day. A lot of new stuff here. These are canvas bags and there's the pink and the red option. Has anyone tried these and do they hold up well? Oh, I was actually just looking at something at another dollar store. I think it was Dollarama. These ones are prettier. Very cute. They're metal, and it looks like there's one with the gnome and one red truck without the little gnome. I actually like the red truck. I really like Dollar Tree's twinkle lights. These ones are in a pink metal wire. They still have a ton of Christmas. I can't believe it. We are into the second week of January. You can repurpose these, the frames. I love the little hearts. I just don't know how I can incorporate these into my decor. They also have a lot of scatter confetti, which is great if you're making shaker embellishments or shaker pockets. These are new this year. Little potted hearts. There's the pink and a red one. I feel like the stakes are selling really quick, so they have different sentiments on the front. There's sweetheart, be mine, kiss me. I wonder if they have any new prints. I feel like these are all kind of newer. Last year's were a bit busier. This one's cute. I like this one the best. I'm going to have to get this down. That's the trouble with the peg system and things being at the back. Let's take a look at the stickers before I go off on a mission. Super fun stickers if you're doing some embellishment creating or craft, paper crafts for sure. Very well done here. This one has a holographic background, but the stickers they have little bits here and there, but not very much. These are great because they're kind of like a puffy sticker. Very well done. The necklaces, I think I could even take them apart just to use the little hearts. I missed the Valentine's Day jars last year, and these are so stinking cute. With a little candy or assortment of treats. They have these this year as well that were not available last year. They had some different ones. This is cute too. You could cut it out, use the Cupid's arrow market on a wood piece. Same with this. You can decoupage these are beautiful little gems. Yeah, you can decoupage the paper onto a wood piece. The kissing boots are very well done this year as well. They have these little flags that are made of the MDF, the same as the rest of the booth. The gnomes were just put out. I was just speaking with the store manager and she had just put them out. So this one's got a little different print on the arm. They're really nice and heavy, so you can use them as a door stopper. A little glitter one, like super heavy. Lots of treats. So they have just the milk chocolate hearts, little stuffies. Bear, my little dog, he loves these little stuffies from Dollar Tree. As long as they're, safe, there's no little eyes, they're good for him. And these are tic-tac-toe gummy games. They also have some of the crispy hearts, the double crisp. And these are peanut butter filled. So they have these little fuzzy friends, and the donut actually Bear has. And he loves tossing it and flipping it. And these ones actually look a little bit bigger than the previous years. They're all safe. There's no little eyeballs that come off. So if your little fur animal is gentle. They have some Kinder Joys, which is always a great value here at Dollar Tree. So there's a bit of a mix. There's the Eggies, and then there's Easter finds and Valentine's finds. These ones have 12 mini Valentines with jumbo stickers. I wonder if they're like that nice vinyl sticker or if it's a paper sticker. If anyone has opened these at home, maybe let us know. They have a good variety. They have some new pencils. Some of them have a little avocado print. Do you see that? My daughter would really like that. I wish they had more in a pack though. These gnomes are mini compared to the other ones we just saw. They're not as heavy. I like this one a lot because it has a little heart that's just holding a little heart. And then there's a few with the love letter. This one here with the little heart. Yep, see. A good selection here of Valentine's Day socks, and they're all pretty long. This one's kind of got a shimmer effect to it. Nice baskets. They also have the balloons if you're wanting helium balloons to make a nice bouquet. An balloon arrangement, they have them. The conversation hearts. These will go fast. They seem to be going pretty quick from whenever I see them being put out. This one here says love. Of course you can repaint them, but they're cute because they are the conversation heart color. These are plastic plates, and they have a shaker effect to them. And there's like a whitish pink, clearish pink, I'd say, and then the red ones. What are you using these for? They're a really thick paper bucket. They have little Paw Patrol, milk chocolate. These are going to go fast. So are the Minions. So the Easter things are being put out as well. Bunnies are back, same as last year. Some of you redid little outfits on them and transformed them and did a ton of things. I wanted to share with you, they are about the same size as the gnomes. However, the gnomes are much heavier, so they work really well as a drawer stopper, whereas the bunnies, I don't think they would. All of the things today: Valentine's, St. Patrick's Day, Christmas, Easter. It's crazy in here. Look at this. So much Christmas. Anyways, cute little socks. Very well done. There's also some garden stuff. Just let you know that some of the Christmas things are on 75% off clearance. I'm not sure if anyone needs anything, but a heads up. I had to circle back to this aisle because I feel like I rushed right through it. I missed the bags. I was just so excited with the glass and the little figures. They have these little headsets. Really pretty tins. Look at the print on these. Okay, they're gnomes, but still really cute. They also have the garden fairy things, the Easter things, so I'm just going to share them with you. So it looks like they'll have a good variety of wood. They have wood beads, different colors. They have the ribbon. I wonder if there's going to be new ribbon because I feel like that was last year's. These are the new invisible pens. They're like secret light pens. Really fun for the kids. I wanted to share with you, I always go through their cards, especially Dollar Tree's cards, because they have little embellishments on them. I deconstructed and will repurpose See if the little gnome was 3D. The little bike is. This is cute. And again, you can take the milk and the cookie. You sometimes can even fussy cut things out. It doesn't have to be 3D exactly. Like this one here has some pieces that are popping out and then some that are flat that you can turn into 3D pieces. Okay, so I almost skipped past these because I thought they would be all the same as last year, but they're not. They're all new. Look at this with the little fairy door, the macaroons. We didn't see these last year. The little slide. Very well done. Two little wishing well and the macaroons. Again, you can paint them if you don't like the colors, but I think these are amazing. And they're a nice size. They're not tiny. A little piglet. Oh my gosh, too cute. And this one's nice for Easter. You can do a little setup with a tiny little bunny. And the houses. And the birds. And gnomes. Okay, so this is going to be a hot item. They're going to go so fast, especially the one with a bumblebee. Yep, this one's going to sell so fast. I'll leave you with a little clip at the end on how I transformed some of the pieces from Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed walking through with me today, and until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for allowing me to share with you today. Bye for now.
If days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass, would you find out with me if it all starts to crumble? We'll search the pieces for a hope or a mumble. It's not for me to decide if I should be the one by your side, and hope we know when it's better to say goodbye. You ever wonder if we know what's best for one another? Are we just another project